Civil danger warning for the city of Los Angeles, California. There have been many posts across many internet platforms, such as 4chan, Reddit, Tumblr, and Twitter that claim that the world is supposedly ending due to an unknown species of bugs taking over the world. These claims have sparked panic, and even a riot in the city of Los Angeles. Police will be deployed to control the situation. And moderators will try to take down any posts that are spreading the apocalypse rumors. However, it has been proven hard to do because the affected platforms have become inaccessible. For now, stay calm and fact-check any information you might find on the internet. Normal programming will resume shortly.